10 interesting facts about dreams. You forget 90% of your dreams. When you wake up within 5 minutes, you forgot half of your dream. After 10 minutes, you forgot 90% of your dream. Blind people also dream. People who became blind after born can see images in dreams, but those who are born blind don't see images but dream about emotions, senses of sound, smell and touch. Everybody dreams. Every human being dreams, except in case of extreme psychological disorder. If you think you are not dreaming, you just forgot your dreams. In our dreams, we only see faces that we already know. Our mind is not inventing faces. In our dreams, we see real faces of real people that we have seen during our life but may not know or remember. We have all seen hundreds of thousands of faces throughout our lives, so we have an endless supply of characters for our brain to utilize during our dreams. Not everybody dreams in color. A full 12% of sighted people dream exclusively in black and white, the remaining number have full color dreams. Recent research has suggested that those changing results may be linked to the switch from black and white film and TV to color media. Dreams are symbolic. If you dream about some particular subject, it is not often that the dream is about that. Dreams speak in a deeply symbolic language. Emotions. The most common emotion experienced in dreams is anxiety. Negative emotions are more common than positive ones. You can have 4 to 7 dreams in one night. On average, you can dream anywhere from 1 or 2 hours every night. Animals dream too. Studies have been done on many different animals, and they all show the same brain waves during dreaming sleep as humans. Watch a dog sleeping sometime. The paws move like they are running and they make yipping sounds, as if they are chasing something in a dream. Body paralysis. Rapid eye movement, REM, sleep is a normal stage of sleep characterized by rapid movements of the eyes. During REM sleep, the body is paralyzed by a mechanism in the brain to prevent the movements which occur in the dream from causing the physical body to move. However, it is possible for this mechanism to be triggered before, during, or after normal sleep while the brain awakens. I hope this video is useful to you. Subscribe and click the bell icon.